This is Converting Percents, Decimals, and Fractions by Chantel
and Kirsten. This is how to convert fractions to decimals. Say you have a fraction like 5 over 10. What you want to do is you want to divide the top by the bottom. So 5 divided by 10 equals 0.5. You can also add a 0 if you'd like to, if it helps you. And then and that's your answer.
So this is how to do a decimal to a fraction. So say if you have a decimal like 0.25, so you want to multiply that by 100, which is going to give you 25. And because if we look here, our decimal is in the hundredths place value, so we're going to put it over 100. And then your answer is 25 over 100, but you want to reduce that into lowest terms. So that's going to be 1 over 4, and that's how you get a decimal to a fraction. And to get the reduction, you just have to divide both of them by the highest common factor.
This is how to convert a decimal to a percent. So first, say we have a decimal like 0.5. And you want to multiply the decimal by 100. And your answer would be 50%, or 50. And since it's a percent, this is called a percent sign. So you want to add that to this number as well. And that's your answer.
So this is how you do a percent to a decimal. So say if you have a percent like 50%, so to convert that to a decimal, you're going to divide by 100, and that's going to give you 0.5, and that's your decimal. So that's how to convert a percent to a decimal.
This is how to convert a percent to a fraction. So say we have a percent like 35%. And what this sign means is it means out of 100. So we could instantly go 35 over 100. And that's your fraction. Some you can't really, if there's not a common factor, then you can't divide it, and that's already lowest terms.
Okay, so this is how to convert a fraction to a percent. So say if you have a fraction like 35 over 100, then to get that to a percent, you're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. So the numerator, which is 35, divided by the denominator, and that's going to give you 0.35. So that's your decimal. But then we're going to multiply that by 100, and that's going to give you 35%. And that's how to convert a fraction to percent.